Just a quick update on how the green woodworking workshop's progressing. Managed to clear all the land now and get all the weed control membrane down. I'm covering the membrane in stones and chip-ins to keep it in place. So as you can see, I need to get a few more stones to finish it off. So yeah, that's going really well. The weather hasn't been great because it is December, so we've had lots of rain and a really hard frost and then more rain, but it's progressing well. It's been got some tubs there. That's going to be a water feature, and I've been tidying up this edge here as well. I've already converted the Douglas Fir for building the framework of the workshop frame. I'll show you some CAD drawings for the frame design. So I just wanted to share with you the Douglas Fir that I've got for the framework of the green woodworking workshop. So I've cut it out for some large boards. It's roughly about 7 inches by 2 inches in section. Makes a difference from the timber I normally use. Got a lot of American walnut here, a lot of ash and some formica. So I'm using Rhino 3D version 7 to design the frame of the workshop. The workshop's going to be roughly 4.6 meters wide by 2.6 meters deep.